having finished ionic bonding, let us also look at covalent bonding. Covalent bond is formed when a pair of electrons is shared between two atoms. Usually these atoms are non-metals. In ionic, we talked of the atoms transferring electrons from metals to non-metals. That means there is formation of positive charge and negative charge. But here we are looking at the atoms sharing a pair of electrons. For example, we consider formation of chlorine molecule. A molecule, here there are two chlorine atoms. That's when you're able to come up with a molecule. For example, we have this is chlorine atom combining with another chlorine atom. We are only taking the outermost energy level, electrons. So this is the 2 to 8 to 7. So meaning it is having 7 electrons in the outermost. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And also this one is having 2 to 8 to 7. So it is having 7 electrons in the outermost energy level. We are not taking these ones are out. Even these ones are out. We are only taking the 7 electrons in the outermost. Therefore, when you look at these atoms, they are all supposed to gain. And how many electrons? They are gaining 1 electron for each. So, for bonding to take place, for formation of the molecule to occur, or for the formation of Cl2 to occur, it means that this 1 electron has to be contributed. And even this 1 electron has to be contributed. So this one are going to be contributed. These 2 electrons are contributed, and then they are shared in between the 2 atoms. When contribution is done, from the electronic configuration, the outermost is left with 6 electrons for this chlorine atom. Even here, the outermost will be left with 6 electrons, meaning that we shall have 2 electrons in the middle. And these 2 electrons, which are in the middle, are going to be shared between the 2 chlorine atoms. That's where we are coming to the definition, meaning that a pair of electrons are being shared between the 2 atoms. So these 2 electrons, as you can see at this point, we have this electron represented by X, this one is represented by small e. So you can see in the diagram, we have this E and this X. So this means that when you consider this outermost for this atom A, let us say A, the outermost will have 8 electrons and is stable. Even this one, the outermost will have 8 electrons and will also be stable. So they are sharing the 1 pair of electrons in between the atoms, hence forming a molecule. So when you're using equation, you have this atom plus this atom forming the Cl2. So this is the Cl2, but the bonding there is called covalent bond. Let us consider the formation of oxygen molecule. And in this oxygen molecule, we are going to have O2 coming from one atom plus this atom. So this is the 2 to 6, this is also 2 to 6, but we are taking the outermost energy levels, electrons. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but these 2 electrons are not paired. So they are the ones that are going to be contributed. When this one contributes these unpaired 2 electrons, remember it is 6. So meaning you are removing 2 from 6, you remain with the 4 electrons. Even here you are contributing these 2, you remain with the 4 electrons in the outermost. Now the 2 contributed from this oxygen atom and the 2 contributed from this oxygen atom makes a total of 4 shared electrons between these 2 atoms. So we are having this 4 in outermost remaining and even this 4 in the outermost remaining. So from here, the 4 outermost remaining. Even here has the 4 outermost remaining, but they are sharing 2 pairs of electrons. So meaning here you have 4 electrons which are contributed. So as it is shared, this one cover up for this, making a total of 8. And the atom attains the noble gas structure. Even these same 4 electrons are contributed and shared for with this, making a total of 8 electrons in the outermost for this oxygen. Then it will have 8 electrons and it becomes, or it appears like the noble gas structure. So this is about covalent bonding.